Hi YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette and I am coming to you. I wanted to share with you and update you on my prayer plant. So at some time before I had recorded a video and yeah, so I recorded this video and to show you my prayer plant, and at that time it didn't have all of this new growth, so I wanted to share with you the new growth that and I'm so excited about it because I've had this plant for a long time, and it didn't want to give me a lot of foliage, but I guess I wasn't treating it right and leaving it alone. So for the past several months, I've left it alone, just giving it some water when it needed it. And it's our winter now, so it's in the room that I designate for my plants. So look at this here. Look at all of this. All of this is new. And my middle part was empty. And now it's getting full with the newness of the plants. Look at that there. I love it. It is wintry outside. We're supposed to have a snowstorm, but we're all safe in here anyway. And every time I take the recorder away, it wants to give me like some blustery, so it can look like it's extremely wintry outside. Of course, where I live, I'm used to it. So yeah, so this is my prayer plant and it's full. So I hang it up here. No, I guess I can't hang it up there right now because I need two hands. But yeah, look at that there, guys. I'm excited. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, so look, isn't that nice? I'm excited. I'm happy. This year I got new growth and it's filling out in the middle, and maybe when this spring or summer it will be absolutely beautiful, and I might even be able to make two plants out of it if I desire. I don't know. I just transplanted it this year. So you like it? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Yeah, so I will do my plants one at a time for you this winter, but yeah, I'm enjoying the beautifulness of my prayer plant. So yeah, remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. You know, I mean that sincerely. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, remember to hit the subscription button over there. I think it should be over there. All right. I love you all. Talk to you soon with some more plants. Bye-bye.